Happy St. Patrick's Day from Drinks Made Easy, the time of year where people love to make all things green. We were looking around for a green margarita and found one that, while the ingredients are a little bit non-traditional, and by a little I mean quite a bit, we found one that actually is quite good in that it's got a bit of sweet, a bit of savory, and it is made with tequila and is obligatory green for St. Patrick's Day. So without any further ado, let's make an Irish Margarita. To build the Irish Margarita, we're going to start with 1 ounce of Reposado Tequila. Now, because this cocktail has a lot of ingredients, you do not need to use a super premium Reposado Tequila to build this, but you can if you want. Next, we're going to add 1/2 ounce of Blue Curacao, 1/2 ounce of Peach Schnapps, 1/4 ounce of Irish whiskey, 1/4 ounce of Aperol, 1/4 ounce of fresh lime juice, and 2 ounces of pineapple juice. And that is a lot of ingredients. Cap that off into a shaker tin full of ice and give it a quick shake. Pour that into a margarita glass that you have sugared the rim. I prefer doing 1/2 a rim of sugar just so you have a choice. And if you have gold sugar, since this is an Irish themed cocktail, go ahead and use gold sugar. I'll be honest, when I first saw this list of ingredients and did a test build, I thought it was going to be a wild hot mess, but this actually works pretty darn well. When you have the mix of the pineapple juice along with the Aperol, you get a sweet and a little bit of a savory characteristic to it, and everything really actually blends together quite well with having this great green color. So if you're looking for a margarita-ish cocktail for St. Patrick's Day, check it out and let us know what you think. Cheers from Drinks Made Easy. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions or there's videos you want to see, whether they are with booze or without, please be sure to leave a comment. If you enjoyed it, be sure to smash the like button and share it with your friends. And if you hated it, well, tell your enemies about us. Cheers from Drinks Made Easy.